Hello there, Brian Fluff here. Today I'm going to real quickly show you how to make a spitball shotgun. So all you need to do is, I'm using bendy style right here. Take your scissors and cut out the bendy part at the top and at the bottom. And then all you need to do is take your knife. You're just going to cut a little square on the top. And also, what you're going to need to do is just cut this bit up like that. Now, this bit right here is going to go on top. And then, this does use shells. And then, you need to take your knife, slip down in there, cut a little bit like that. And then just cut. Once you have out your square, then you are officially done. Actually, not all the way officially. You need to cut off a bit just as big as your square, and then you put this inside that hole, except you fill this up with spitballs. And that's how to make a easy, very easy spitball shotgun.